It's either a chiffchaff or a willow warbler. I didn't get a good look at the legs, but the chiffchaff has black legs, whereas on the willow warbler they're more of a pinkish tan color.
And who cares about this shit? Let's just make a song for it.
A song?
Found in lakes and streams, tree cavities are where it breeds. The mute swan shares its habitat. Its babies ride right on its back. The ptarmigan is looking fine, but it only lives above the tree line. It's white in the winter and gray in the summer, so climate change is a real big bummer. Birds, I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. Floating nests out of sticks and plants. You have to see their mating dance and know all about birds of prey, red kites, black kites, and ospreys. But my favorite one is the golden eagle with a 2-meter wingspan. They look so regal. Birds, I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. On migration, yellow-legged gulls have been expanding their range farther north because of climate change. Tawny owls live in the woodlands, and nightjars in the southern mountains. Swifts fly here from Africa, gotta have crazy stamina. Birds, I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. Swallows. I'll tell you about larks like there's no tomorrow. Pipits and wagtails, thrushes and chats, waxwings and warblers, and of course the nuthatch. Birds, I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. Birds, I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds. I know a lot about birds.
Perfect.